Welcome to our video on room decor bed designs. Your bed is the most important piece of furniture in your bedroom. It sets the tone for the entire room and is where you spend a third of your life. In this video, we will take a look at some unique and stylish rectangular shaped bed designs. We have the platform bed. This design is perfect for those who want a low profile and minimalist look. The shape of the bed creates a clean and sleek look that is both modern and timeless. We have the storage bed. This design is great for maximizing space in smaller bedrooms. The shape of the bed allows for plenty of storage space underneath, perfect for storing extra linens, clothing, or other items. Moving on to something a little more dramatic, we have the canopy bed. This design is perfect for those who want to create a luxurious and a pleasure atmosphere in their bedroom. The rectangular shape of bed frame creates a grand and regal look, while the curtains provide privacy and a cozy feel. If you are a fan of clean linens and minimalist design, a platform bed with a built-in headboard might be just what you are looking for. The shape of headboard creates a simple yet elegant look that is perfect for modern bedrooms. We have the bunk bed. This design is great for kids' rooms or for maximizing space in guest room. The shape of bed frame creates a fun and playful look that is both practical and stylish. In addition to the unique shape and style of the bed, you can create a bed design that is not only comfortable and functional but also visually stunning and sure to attract attention from anyone who enters the room. No matter what your style or space, there is a unique and stylish shape bed design out there for you. So go ahead, dream big, and create the perfect sleeping sanctuary for yourself. We hope you enjoyed our video on room decor bed designs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more decor inspiration. Make your dream come